off all over the place here.
Yeah, I know, but go right on the wheel tracks, from wheel track to wheel track, so you don't have to chain it.
Ooh. Are you kidding me? Look at that!
What do you got? Well, that looks pretty good.
Is that a sunbaker?
That's a sunbaker.
Oh, it's a cloud baker. Oh, you are joking.
You going to pick it up or what?
Oh, yes.
Do you need a pick or?
Oh, I sort of need a magnifying glass. Cloud baker. Oh, you are joking. Oh, we were just about to leave.
If you wouldn't have called me over to have a look at your target,
You would have missed it.
I'd have missed that one.
I don't think my target's worth even looking at right now.
How's that for
Well
size?
done. And seeing as I've got it in my hand, is it my fine? No, you can have it. Oh, absolutely awesome.
Wow. How about that?
How about that? We were just saying, there's nothing here. Let's go. Hang on.
We've got to improve that.
Try it again. I won't move. Yeah, we're useless at that. We don't get to do it enough, that's why.
All right.
You drove over that.
So did you?
We both drove over that.
All right.
Okay.
Are we staying here for a bit or what?
Yeah, let's try and check mine out now.
All right. I don't mind checking yours out. Righto.